Welcome back, couple collectors and diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Crib's Garage. Today we're looking at the 1970s Wheelie stand trucks. These are all Johnny Lightnings, and I believe most of these are actual real trucks. And then most of these are all Dodge A100 cabovers. And this is Dick Kearney. That's his truck, and from Kearney Brothers. And then the driver of this Dodge material is Cool Richie Travis, and I believe it was I'm not sure what year this one is, probably 60 something. These all look like they're about 65, 69 Dodge. Econoline pickups were also pretty big. And funny thing is, I've even seen some where they did the trucks in reverse, so they drove this way. This got the engine in the back, and the parachute, and the metal on metal. And got they all had pretty much had the Hemi engines in them. Well, why wouldn't they? You notice the one seat with the steering right in the middle there. So no passengers. And you can hear it. So up next I have the Dodge Rebellion. Get that on there somehow. I'm not sure how this thing actually works, but yeah, these little stands come with these Johnny Lightning trucks. So this is Dodge Rebellion, 69 Dodge A100. It's got all the racing badges on it, and I believe that's John Ludwig's truck. There's his name on the front there. Pretty cool. You can even see the I think the roll bar in the back there. No windshields on these. No glass at all. This one's got these little, not sure what that is. Maybe extra gas. It's like a little barrel. Something else there. Guess they all have that in there, but this red one you couldn't see because it was blended with the rest of the bed in red. And you got the most famous one, which is the Red Wagon by Bill Maverick. This is a 65, and yeah, it was the most popular one that kind of started the whole thing. And Revell Models, I believe, had a model with it. There's his name on the front. Pretty cool. And then he competed a lot with a fellow by the name of, this was one that they competed with, and I'm not sure if it was a drag race or just who could wheelie the farthest or something. Not sure what the competition was, but this was the Chuck Pole's Chuck Wagon, Dodge A100. This was a 69 that he actually had, and it's nice kind of caramel brown. There's the back. This one has gray, whatever this thing is. I guess that's a gas tank, and maybe the parachute and some kind of black thing right here. This one has gray, black, and black. This is all the same color of the bed. And this one just has a black parachute. So they kind of made them all different. So yeah, there was other different, there wasn't just trucks, there was other kinds of cars that were wheelie cars, and like I said, Econoline trucks that were like this were also used. Here's the Doug Headers truck in orange. This one's got the silver, you got the chrome engine, two black thing there, and the black parachute. Pretty neat bed variation. They're pretty much all the same. Well, are they really the same castings? I don't. Oh yeah, they're the same. This one has a little Dodge written there in the front. We got rubber tires too. This one's got little wheels in the front, little skinny ones. Where this one, the chuck wagon, has fat tires. Rebellion has the little tires. The Dodge Material has the little tires in the front, and so does the little red wagon. And the funny thing is, there was also Volkswagen flatbeds that were used like this. So probably not the King Cab, but just the regular one. But I didn't want to pull it all out. But I had this Volkswagen handy, so I thought I'd share it with you. We'll make a little something going on here in the video. Put the little red wagon and the chuck wagon together. A couple of like that. A little overview. There you go. That's your Wheelie stand, Johnny Lightnings. I don't know if I have all of them, but I sure would pick them up if I didn't. But they're pretty cool. So anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying Sunday and enjoying your football. Happy hunting.